Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Armitron digital watch. This is the model with the 4 buttons. So what you want to do is to press and hold the reset button. You are going to hear a small beep, and that means that now we can set the seconds, the hours and the minutes. As you can see, the seconds are flickering. This means that if I press the start button, I will be able to reset them to 0. If I press the mode button, you can see that I can change the hours. I can use the start button in order to go one by one, and I can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. This is going to be very useful, especially when setting the minutes. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and I can go one by one, or also press and hold in order to speed scroll. Just like that. Let's make it 30. Stop when you get very close and then go one by one. In case you only wanted to set the time, press the reset button and you are done. You have correctly set the time on your Armitron digital watch. I have a full guide on all the functions and features of this particular model. I'm going to leave a link to that YouTube video in the description box below. In case you found it useful, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and I'm going to see you on the next one.